Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Arif. Welcome back again our natural studio. So in this video I'm gonna share with you most important part, that is why we can't speak English. We are listening all the time, we are reading newspaper, we are reading textbook, but we can't speak English. Why? What is the reason behind that? So today I would like to talk about that. We are listening all the time, we are reading all the time, but we are not practicing. Do you get up early in the morning? Do you practice early in the morning? I think you don't do it. So why don't you do it in the morning? Try to work in the morning. Start working in the morning. Morning is the best important part for you. Okay? If you work in the morning, if you listen in the morning, if you practice in the morning, whole day you will be charged. You will be energetic whole day. Try to shake your body in the morning. It is very important for you. I try to shake my body every day in the morning. I try to say English every day in the morning. Try to say some sentence in the morning. Try to say some words in the morning. Try to make your pronunciation correctly in the morning. It will be easy. If you don't do that, you can't speak English fluently. Try to do that in the morning. Another thing is, we think all the time, I will be wrong. My pronunciation is wrong. I can't pronounce correctly. My English is wrong. How I will talk front of the camera? How I will talk myself? What people will say? So drop it this matter. Drop this matter. Stop thinking that everybody mistake. I mistake. Even you mistake. Everybody mistake. Everybody can mistake. Drop thinking. Start working now. Practice now. You can speak English fluently. It's very important for you. For speaking all the time, you think that my English is wrong. I can't say correct English. How I will share my feelings front of the camera, front of the mirror? I have another idea. You can share with your feelings at the first time front of the mirror. And you can pronounce like a native speaker front of the mirror. You can buy a huge mirror and you can practice in your house. It will be natural. Try to listen the video and pause and practice like a native English speaker front of the mirror at the first time. Then you can go front of the camera. And you are thinking all the time, my English is wrong, my pronunciation is wrong, I can't pronunciation well. How I will talk front of the camera? Drop it this matter. Stop thinking at the first time. Everybody makes mistake. I can make mistake. Every teacher can make mistake. You can make mistake. It doesn't matter. If you don't try to say, how you will catch what is wrong you have, what you have to correct, right? So try to say front of the camera. Even you are thinking, my voice is not sweet, my voice is down, how I will talk front of the camera, my voice is broken. So you are thinking that. So every person doesn't have sweet voice, right? But they are a native English speaker. They are talking English. They are talking without fear, without condition, without thinking. So it doesn't matter. Your voice is not matter for speaking. You can speak or not, this is the matter. What you are performing in front of the camera, what you are speaking, that's the matter. Voice is not matter. And it will be easy. Voice, at the first time, voice is not easy to correct all the things. When you will try to make a habit in your daily life, every day when you will come front of the camera, every day when you will practice front of the mirror, it will be easy for you. And you can speak English easily. It doesn't matter. Don't think that. Stop thinking at the first time. Don't be afraid. Say in front of the camera. Start working now. Start come front of the camera from now on. Every day in the morning. You can practice in the morning and after the evening. And in the evening and in the morning, you are very strong. You can use that time. Right. So my dear viewers, I guess you will give a lot of love of this video. If you like me and if you like this video, so make sure to subscribe and share and leave your valuable comment in comment box. I will see you very soon with another video with another topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.